Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers. Today I will gonna first show you Zamil CDX020 model HEGO wiring diagram. Understood? I will try to understood you. First time I want to show you how many conductor and ATB, HBTB and transformer install have there. Show you. This is HBTB terminal board. That's mean three phase electricity in terminal boards. HBTB, this means high voltage terminal board, and nearby have CC1, this means compressor conductor 1. Then after have CC2, this means compressor conductor 2. Then its top of here have one motor saver device. Its name of UVM. This full meaning under volt measurement or monitor, under voltage monitor, and this device name motor saver. And there have three relay, and in front of top of have ATB terminal board. Okay, now I am going there. Have a fuse and a circuit breaker, and these two conductor. It is condenser coil fan motor contactor. This unit have two condenser coil and two fan motor and two compressor. So need two compressor contactor coil and two condenser fan motor contactor coil, and it is ATP terminal board, and this a transformer. It is to show to a 240 volt in and supply 24 volt and 30 volt transformer. It is made in Malaysia transformer. And last I wanna go this PCB board. It is main PCB board, this unit, in this unit. So I will say with you this everything of this PCB board. First time my viewers, you are see there have a full PCB board. This in front side, everything have a LPSP jumper Y2Y1 21B every cable. So I will understood you now. First time I want to see this PCB board in electricity. Need to this PCB board 220 voltage. So this is cable 1, this line 1, directly this line 1 coming this high voltage terminal board from, and this neutral and line 1 coming 220 voltage for start this PCB. Then after this transformer from PCB to take 220 voltage for the jack. This jack same this and this cable same 220 voltage. This transformer take. Then after this transformer supply 220 and 30 voltage. This blow to blow out 220 volt 24 voltage, and blue and black out supply 30 voltage. Okay, this jack, they are out supply 2 voltage 24 and 30 voltage. They are a very small capacitor. This all the supply will give 220 voltage, and this relay, this start and small capacitor, small diode starting need to 24 voltage. Then will be start this PCB. Then I will show you this PCB out supply. Everyone, you see this so many relay here, so I will show one by one this relay what work and where this electricity supply. First time this corner you see 3A. 3A this cable for supply compressor 1, and near have 3B. 3B this electricity supply for compressor 2, and here have you see this covering cable ECB SECU2 SECU2 ECB PDS. This means pump down solenoid valve unit 2, and near another pump down solenoid valve unit 1. Okay, two pump down solenoid valve supplying electricity there. Then after you see 41A and 41B. 41A and 41B. 41A its cable, and its cable for TDC panel direction. 41A and 41B, this cable give command for DDC panel. And then you see this 12A and 10A. This 12A condenser fan motor 2 contactor coil voltage supply, and 10A this condenser fan motor 2 contactor coil voltage supply. So you see this first cable 3A and 3B direct coming contactor coil voltage. So I will show you. I said it before 3B, so you see there coil voltage 3B. Then I saw here a 2 number cable. It is neutral cable for start this contactor. It is neutral and 3B. 3B is phased and it is neutral. 220 voltage contactor will be start. And I saw I told you before this 3A and 3B. You see here 3B and near another contactor here 3A and neutral. Neutral coming this ATB terminal board. You see here so many number of 2 cable, number of 2 all contactor and motor saver where need to neutral, so service this terminal board from. Okay, now when we start this machine, so I will say another day everything. If you want the learning HVAC electric wiring, so like the channel and subscribe. Thank you everyone.